Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M31 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can change wallpaper on your phone Samsung Galaxy M31. First of all, go to the settings for phone here and click on wallpaper. Now click on my wallpapers and these are all the system wallpapers. Just you can select any one. Here I select this wallpaper and here I will select the first option. Set as home screen. So this wallpaper will be applied in home screen only. Again go to the settings and click on wallpaper and click on my wallpapers and I select another wallpaper now. And I click on second option lock screen. So this wallpaper will be applied only in lock screen. See the changes in the lock screen, put lock screen and see there wallpaper has been changed to what I have selected. Again go to the settings and click on wallpaper. Now click on explore more wallpapers. So you can download some wallpapers from internet. Click on top and click on free here. Now these are all the free wallpapers. You can just download from internet. Just select any one and click on download. Click on agree. It will be downloaded within few seconds. Just wait. Yes, it's downloaded and now you can click on apply. Now you can select any of the three options. So I have selected third option, lock screen and home screen. So this wallpaper will be applied on both home screen and lock screen. See the changes here. Again go to the settings and click on wallpaper. Click on wallpaper and click on gallery. Here you can select any photo from your local folder. If you have any photo captured through camera, you can select here and click on done. And you can select any of these three options. So I have selected again third option. So yes, it has been applied in both lock screen and home screen. You can also directly go to camera and then capture one picture. Capture a picture and set it as wallpaper. Click here to capture and open the picture. Now click on these three dots and click on set as wallpaper options. So you can select any of these three options. I have selected again third option. So it has been applied in both lock screen and home screen. So in this way also you can set your photo as wallpaper or capture your photo as wallpaper. Capture and set as photo as wallpaper. Again go to the same settings and click on wallpaper, click on my wallpapers and here you can select the default wallpaper if you want to change back. Yes, it has been changed now. In this way you can easily do it. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.